In our college days, in our school days, we used to have this problem. Like, there is a question in our question banks, in our material and all, which is a 2 marks question. But unfortunately, that question is being asked as 10 marks question in the question paper. So now, how to write this? It's the biggest task, right? For example, I will explain with a small example how we used to do. There's a question, this is just an example. There is a question, how Shah Jahan is being killed is a question which is being given 10 marks. But normally this is a 2 marks question. How he is killed, who actually killed him, all this will be given in 2 marks. But if the same question comes to 10 marks, how I used to start is, I used to start like how he was born and from which family he was born. And from there I used to start till how he is killed. So basically we have done this same task. I believe everyone has done this, right? Hello guys, this is Santosh Nimani. Today I am going to talk about the topic of 2 marks question as 10 marks answer, which is the only technique to win any presentation. So this is quite interesting topic for me. So if you see the best authors, if you see the best writers over there, you can actually sense this. The tactic is very simple. They start telling a story to you. They start talking about a conversation. Even though it can be office, it can be professional, it can be personal, wherever you go. If he is a good speaker, he starts with a conversation. He starts with a small story which actually connects to people. So this can create wonders while giving your presentation. This will connect to people. This can interact people. This can engage people. So there are a lot of tactics, but this is the major tactic which you can actually win the conversation. But don't tell some vague stories and all, but make a story around that topic. I believe you are getting the point, right? And this tactic can be used anywhere in your presentations. Don't actually tell this directly like what point you want to be, but create a story which can interact people, which can engage people. So thank you guys. I hope you are loving my videos. If you love my videos, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon and get notified. Thank you and have a nice day.